Yes, that's right. Tuesday shaping up to be a chilly start, but by this afternoon it'll be a cool one. Rain staying to our south. High pressure is what we have to thank for that. Right now, let's take a look at our futurecast. Increasing clouds expected later on this afternoon. So you figure anywhere between 12 and 3, those clouds will start to build throughout the day. Rain should stay offshore for the most part, and then further north you may have some clearing there, but just don't forget it's just going to be very unsettled as we head into Wednesday. Same deal, but then things will start to evolve as we head into the early morning hours on Thursday. Just write this down now. If you're going to be heading out, you want to make sure you allow plenty of extra travel time. Starts off very light, but then it starts to build. Heavy downpours expected just in time for that evening commute. We could be talking about some urban and coastal flooding when all is said and done. Should wrap up Thursday night. Here is a look at Melissa now. Titan core, as you can see, it is about 300 miles or so southwest of Kingston, expected to make landfall late this morning into the early afternoon hours. It's a well-defined eye, may undergo a eye wall replacement. We'll explain more on that coming up. But this is really important because this is a jam-packed storm here. Watches and warnings. It looks like those watches have been upgraded since yesterday to warnings now. Hurricane warnings for the Bahamas. We also have a hurricane warning eastern Cuba, both coast and all across Jamaica here. Hurricane warning intact. Haiti, not out of the woods just yet. Heavy rains leading to more flooding and more devastating conditions, but all eyes are on Jamaica as this storm system continues to evolve. When we started, we were at maximum sustained winds. Yesterday it was like 160. Now we're at 175. We started this morning with winds, or rather the movement, at 3 miles per hour. Now it's at 5. So just to give you an idea here, it's starting to pick up in forward speed, but still slow moving. It's getting a lot of that energy from the very warm waters. Could make landfall as a Cat 5. Just remember that we were saying it was going to become a Cat 4 at some point because of the friction. Now it looks like as it moves over land, or rather over water once again, it's going to refuel. You know, it's like going out to get gas again. And then it's going to continue on that trajectory northeast in toward the Bahamas, bringing more devastation to eastern Cuba and the Bahamas in addition to Jamaica. And that's going to stay offshore. We're not going to see any impacts directly from it. But here's a look at rainfall totals. We're looking at isolated spots up to about 40 inches, 15 to 30 on average, and then isolated spots, as you can see there, for eastern Cuba, anywhere from 10 to 20 to even upwards of about 25, 6 to 12 for Haiti and Dominican Republic. Storm surge is going to be a major factor. Yesterday we were saying 9 to 13 feet along the south coast. Now add the north coast of that. So places like Trelawney, especially like Falmouth, as well as Montego Bay, eastern Cuba's south coast of there, 7 to 11 feet. So that's what we're talking about. This is like deadly situation that we're talking about here. Hurricane force winds 30 miles, tropical storm force winds 195. Here's a look at your school day forecast. Here is a look at your 7-day. We're going to clear things out for now. More rain expected in our neck of the woods on Thursday. Alexa, over to you.